Hello friends, myself Harish Paladia. Today we will discuss the recruitment for the post of Scientist B in DRDO. Okay, total number of posts are 167 vacancies are there, and the closing date for this is July 10, 2020. Very complicated advertisement, and they have made the three different parts, and they have divided the vacancies on these three parts. Okay, part 1, part 2 and part 3. Okay, we will not discuss part 3 because part 3 consists of one discipline, and that is psychology department, psychology subject, students having psychology as their graduation subject. So in our further discussion we will discuss only part 1 and part 2. Okay, on the part 1, the recruitment will be based on the valid gate score and a descriptive examination and personal interview. Okay, so essential qualification, three branches are eligible: electronics, mechanical and computer science branch are eligible, and the essential qualification will be the BSc or the BTech in electronics and communication engineering or their respective branches. Now the important thing is that they must along with the essential qualification, they must have either the gate qualification, that is the valid gate scorecard, and or if they are not having the valid gate scorecard, then they must have must have done the BTech from Indian Institute of Technology, that is IIT or NIT, and they must have scored 80%. Okay, means they have to fulfill either the criteria 1, that is the gate criteria, or either the criteria 2, that is the 80% criteria. Okay, this is for the part 1, and in part 1 there will be a descriptive examination followed by the personal interview. Okay, and in the part 2 there will be no descriptive examination, and there will be on the basis of screening will be on the basis of the gate score and the personal interview. Okay, and the eligible branches are electrical engineering and material science and engineering, metallurgical engineering, and physics, chemistry, chemical engineering, aeronautical engineering, mathematics and civil engineering. Okay, so here we will require only the essential qualification, that is the graduation in the respective branches and the valid gate scorecard. Okay, here it is they do not mention the 80% criteria like in the previous part 1. Okay, now the part 3, it is belongs to the psychology department, so we will not discuss it. Okay, it's of no use for us. And one important instruction is that applicants who are appearing means who are students who are in final year, they can also fill this form. Okay, they are now part 1. Okay, part 1 is divided into two categories, category 1 and category 2. Category 1 consists of the valid gate scorecard, students having the valid gate scorecard of the year 2018, 2019 and 2020, and the subcategory of part 1, that is the category 2, belongs to those who have scored 80% marks in the IITs or NITs. Okay, part 2 consists of only those students who have a valid gate scorecard of 2018, 2019 or 2020. Okay, now the age limit is 28 years of age for unreserved, for OBC 31, and for SC ST it is 33. Okay, and this is the official website rec.gov.in, from where you can find all the details. Okay, now the important things is that next important thing is application fee. Okay, application fee is 100 rupees only for general, EWS and OBC, whereas women candidates are exempted from this, and SC ST and PWD are also exempted, okay, from this fee. Now the screening test. Okay, first of all consider the part 1, that is the students having the valid gate scorecard and the 80%. Okay, if you are fall under part 1 and you have a valid gate scorecard, then you will be shortlisted in the ratio of 1:25 for the descriptive examination. Okay, and if you fall under the category 2, that is you have scored 80% marks and you are a graduate from IIT and NIT, then all will be called for a descriptive examination. Okay, there will be no screening. Okay, and the candidate who will appear for the descriptive examination, they will be, after the examination, they will be called in the ratio 1:5 for the personal interview. Okay, for personal interview they will be called in the ratio 1:5. Okay, if you fall under the part 1. Now comes the part 2. For part 2, where they will directly call for the personal interview, they will call on the basis of the valid gate scorecard of 2018, 19 and 20 in the ratio of 1:5. Okay, and part 3, we need not to bother about this. Now the scheme of examination only for part 1 discipline, because they will conduct the examination for only for part 1. Okay, they will not conduct examination for part 2. Okay, for part 1 there will be 2 papers of 300 marks each, and the duration will be of 3 hours, and the syllabus will be the UPSC syllabus of engineering services examination. Okay, and it will be conducted on 7 cities: Bengaluru, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kanpur, Kolkata and Pune. Okay, and the likely date is October 2020. And the next is that the final selection, that is after the interview, the final selection will be on the basis of, for part 1 candidates, the selection will be on 80% of marks will be of descriptive examination and 20% is of personal interview. For part 2 students, it is 80% of GATE scorecard and 20% of marks in personal interview. Okay, and the closing date for this application is 21st day at, that is the online submission closes on 21st day at 1700 hours from the date of publication of advertisement, that is 10th of July. Okay, on 10th of July there is the closing date for this advertisement. And if you have any query or any problem in filling this form, then you can contact on these numbers. They provided the email ID and the numbers. You can contact here. And thanks, and let me know. And I have also attached the PDF of this advertisement in the description box of my video, so please like it and share it. Thanks.